Hey everybody, it's Josh from Cap Unpacked and welcome back to another video where today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the phone grip by Elgato. So without further ado, let's get straight into this. So first of all, when you get the box, it's literally just the item. There's nothing else, no manual, it's just a box with the phone grip. Now the really cool thing about the phone grip is that it is made out of metal. When compared to this really low quality one I have from online, it's just made of plastic. You can see quite flimsy. And this one here, this is actually solid metal. You can even see here that there's like metal bars in it when you open it up. Now a really nice thing as well is that there is a layer of rubber inside, so if you have a phone that you don't want to really scratch, don't worry, it will actually protect it. And if you do want to mount this to any of your tripods, there is a way you can screw it in here. If you go onto the back, there's also like another screw here, so you've got two ways to actually put it onto your tripod. Now what I'm going to do now is I'm going to actually put it on a tripod, and I'm going to show you exactly how it looks and how to use it. Got my boom arm here. I'm actually going to use this little screw on the bottom here, and I'm just going to screw that onto this. So now that we've got that screwed in, I've had to move this back a bit just because my mic boom arm isn't really that happy at the moment with what I'm doing with it. But what I will now do is I'm going to put my phone on it. So what you do is you just simply put your phone on this little bottom bit here, and you just pull the top up. There, that's actually really cool. So I move it down. And you can see it holds it really well. If you do have like a phone that's quite thick or you have a case, you can stretch that in. But yeah, that's actually really cool. Now to get rid of the mount of like anything, you can just simply unscrew it like this. Lots of spinning, and I'm just going to put it on the table there. So as you can see, this is what it looks like on my phone. It's actually really nice. It's got a really nice texture and it just looks really good. You do have to watch out for these sharp corners, however. I have noticed that they are a little bit sharp and you don't want to like dent anything or damage anything. But apart from that, it is actually a really cool phone mount, and I would actually recommend it just because it's made out of metal, it doesn't feel cheap, and it is actually reasonably priced in Australia. Not too sure what it is like worldwide. But yeah, it's a really good phone mount. Now if you did enjoy the video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. I've put a affiliate link in the description as well if you do want to support the channel, but you can find this on Amazon or in your local shop quite easily. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. See ya!